Mechanism of hormone action. What is hormone? Hormone act as a non-nutrient chemical messenger produced in trace amount. It is of two types. First, direct gene activation. It is for steroid hormone, lipid soluble. They produce action via direct gene activation. A particular protein is synthesized in the cytoplasm. Hormone action affects the particular target cell or target organ. This target organ must have receptors. Receptors are present on plasma membrane and cytoplasm. It binds to form complex compound on its cellular effect. Hormone change in permeability on plasma membrane. When steroid hormone reach at their target cell, they dissociate from their protein carriers and pass through the plasma membrane of the cell into cytoplasm. Some steroid hormone bind to specific receptor protein in the cytoplasm, then move as a hormone receptor complex into the nucleus. The hormone receptor protein activated by binding to the hormone is now able to bind to a specific region of the DNA. Hormone and receptor combine to form complex within the nucleus. Within the nucleus, receptor protein is present. Hormone receptor complex activating certain gene to force messenger RNA. mRNA translocated into cytoplasm and then is translated. A particular protein is synthesized in the cytoplasm. This is the direct gene activation. Second one is second messenger system. It is for protein, peptide and amino acids. These are water soluble. It is also called non-steroidal hormone. Water soluble hormones are unable to enter the target cell. They bind with the plasma membrane receptor.